This exercise is called Russian twist. Muscle groups we will be working: quads, core, lower to upper back muscles. First thing we're going to do is we're going to sit down, okay, butt on the ground, feet on the floor. And we're going to lean back, okay, lean back like you're leaning back into a chair, lifting those legs off the ground. All right, then we're going to stabilize our core right there. The hands are going to come together. We're going to drop our hands down by our side, almost like a rowing movement. Okay, dropping them down by our sides, keeping the core engaged and keeping the legs off the ground. All right, they don't necessarily have to be straight, but just a slight bend is about it. All right, the more the bend, the easier it is. So make sure you have a nice bend, okay, almost as straight in your legs. Keep them off the ground and just take them down by our sides. Take nice, long, easy, deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth, and focus on stabilizing the core, okay, as those hands drop down by your sides. This is one of the many exercises you will experience in WebFitness. That's what I'm talking about. Push yourself. I know you got one more. I see it. Come on now. Exactly what you just heard is exactly what you're going to get. A live trainer in front of you to coach you, to motivate you, help fix your form, and help you with every step along the way. All we ask for is a laptop and good internet connection. That's it. It's as simple as that. There's no special equipment needed whatsoever. You can even hook up your laptop to your TV. That choice is yours. The main purpose you're getting is a group fitness class with people from all over the world with a live trainer. But we invented that. We invented a new way to fitness. You're going to be able to track your progress, improve your diet, and work out anywhere you want to. And work out whenever you want to. Schedule your workouts ahead of time. If you know you're going to work out at home, or if you got to go out on a business trip, we got you. Schedule the time that suits best for you at the touch of your finger. It's as simple as that. The app that we have provided you is going to do wonders. You're going to have so many options and so many things to do, you're not going to keep count of it. Quickly take a picture of your food in our app for our nutritionist to analyze what you're eating to provide you advice on your diet and meal planning. You can also ask questions on a meal or general nutrition questions. You're going to have my progress. You're going to take pictures each week of your transformation. Watch your measurements. Watch those pounds drop like there's no tomorrow. We have all of that for you, and that's all here at WebFitness.